Hey guys, ready to meet the ultimate tech beast? The Apple iPad Pro M4 2024 packs a lightning-fast M4 chip, a stunning OLED display, and an ultra-thin design. But is it worth the hefty price and accessory drama? Stick around to find out if this powerhouse is your perfect tech upgrade. Let's start with its performance. The M4 chip makes this thing a speed demon. It loads apps faster than I can blink, might as well be powered by caffeine. The OLED screen is so vivid that I almost reached out to pet the wildlife in my nature videos. The incredibly thin design? It's thinner than my patience on Monday mornings, and yet somehow it's still ridiculously sturdy. It's fantastic, but the price? Apple's clearly targeting those who have a secret gold mine in their backyard. Accessory drama? It's like Apple dares you to spend more. The iPad doesn't come with the pencil or keyboard. What's next? Selling wheels separately for my chair? Overall, the Apple iPad Pro M4 2024 is a powerhouse tablet featuring the lightning-fast M4 chip and a stunning OLED display, perfect for professionals and creatives. Its ultra-thin, lightweight design is paired with unparalleled performance, making it ideal for multitasking, editing, and streaming. However, its additional cost for accessories like the pencil and Magic Keyboard may not appeal to casual users. If you're looking for top-tier performance in a tablet, this is an excellent choice. So if you have or know more about the Apple iPad Pro M4, leave a comment and tell us what you think about it. And if not, click on the link below. You will be directed to the website where you can buy the product. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I hope you're having a great day.